My favorite is this. Oh, actually, this. Just because you're pretty there. Oh, mainis.
It's just because it's such a cute photo.
Sure.
Sure.
I'm already live, huh?
Oh, my bad. Wire.
What? It's a
So
wire.
bent.
No, it's not. Ah, sure ka ba? Wait, how do you fix it?
Wala, it's just gonna dent. It's gonna break easier.
Ayoko na nga mag-charge.
No ga, charge na.
Oh my god. Don't say ba?
I said no ga. You know ga?
What's
like,
gaang?
It's like, I don't know. Like my family uses it.
You don't use that?
Yeah, but I used it just now.
Cool!
Oh!
Okay, I'm gonna get comfy now.
Hey everybody.
What did you guys do last live that you guys took so long to end?
Voila! We just like made chica and everything.
Yeah, with your freaking Santa Claus filter. You had it
I
on for
kept
like
it-
how many
I
hours?
kept it on the whole time.
Oh, should we do this? Because we're both blind. Oh. No, you don't like that because she gets to your face.
I can't even. Okay, it's fine. I can see that one. Oh my gosh.
Alright, it's very funny. Are you in Manila? Yes.
Yes.
No, I'm actually in Korea because I'm with my bias. Blackpink
Rose.
Rose. What?
Walang sounds. What? We are.
It's
No!
not.
We're not.
Liar.
Pa wala yung sound. Huh?
Oh, you know what?
Seryoso?
Live on you na lang kaya.
Ashley.
Because it's like CarPlay-ish because you guys so funny. Okay, go to Steph's account. Bye-bye.